What's up everybody, Kevin here from Scuffleberg Outdoors. In this video we are installing a Reefs RC 99 micro for the Dig and my Axial SCX 10iii. Stay tuned. Alright, the Reefs 99 micro servo for the Dig and my SCX 10iii is going to be a huge upgrade. That way I can turn up my BEC to 7.4 volts, have my steering servo, everything good without having a direct servo in here. I've already started tearing it apart. Got a Reefs 555 servo for the steering. So this matched with this, put the BEC on 7.4 volts. It will turn a whole lot better, and you don't have to worry about the little Spectrum servo that comes with it failing. So I'll get you up here to the top down view and we'll throw this thing in here real quick and get this video moving. Thank y'all. So I just need to cut some of the zip ties loose from the old servo without cutting the wires. And there you have it. Like I said, I've already had it out. So first we need to change the servo horn. We'll be using the horn that's in the servo itself. And this is a winch servo, so it's not too bad. It goes right here, but we will have to drill out one of these holes bigger. So it lines up like that. Let's put the screws back in it so we can get it lined up properly. We need to drill out one of the holes on the servo horn. It's that second one up. So we're going to take the servo back out and drill that hole out, and we can run a screw right inside there. It should be good to go. This hole right here, we got to make it bigger so the screw will go through it. So this is the steering horn, or the horn that comes with the micro 99 micro, whatever you want to call it. Get him all vice gripped in, that way I can add some pressure. I'm not worried about my fingers. Boom, that's simple. Drill out of the way. I'm going to put him back on here. Slide, actually, we don't need to stand. I can just put him right there. So we got it mocked up in here. Got a 2.5mm screw running straight into the stud off the Dig servo, or the Dig on the transmission. You just got to make sure that it doesn't bind up. I think it has enough. I think I got it right. You got to leave this screw a little bit loose on this one so it can move. But you know, all we got to do is put the receiver back together and set the end points and be ready to go. I mean, this servo right here, it runs, you can run it on 6.0 volts or 7.4 volts. So I'll be able to take the Mamba X BEC and turn it up to 7.4. That way this thing will handle it, and I can get the front Reefs 555 servo to be a lot more powerful. Alright, now we've got the 99 Micro all mocked up, the steering or servo horns on there that's attached to the Dig linkage for the SCX 10iii. It ought to work pretty good. I'll get the receiver, everything all plugged back in, set the end points, and show y'all how simple it is to make it work. Stay tuned. So I've got the 99 Micro in the Dig position, and we're going to see. That's simple. Looks like it needs to be adjusted a little bit. Oh yeah, she's locked now. Perfect. Well, that's how simple it is. I'm gonna get the receiver cover back on the box and get all the wires done and get this bad boy out to Crawler Island. And yep, that's going to conclude it for this video. Hope y'all see how easy it is to mount these little servos, get the endpoints done on the old Spectrum DX5 Rugged. It's been Kevin from Scuffleberg Outdoors. Thank y'all for watching.